start our class today. But the apply workshop tools require equipment, and the topic is workshop tools used in welding practice. So the most common workshop tools, the equipment used for welding practice include the following. So I have been able to arrange the tools areas that are used in the workshop for welding practices. So we'll be able to see them one by one, and we are going to understand or to see the uses or the application in welding process. So, in case of any question, you are free to ask as we continue. So, the first tool we are going to check is the file. So, files are similar to angular grinders used to remove rough edges and bars from the metal you cut. The fire tools are available in various shapes and sizes, which used for work finishing purposes. So these are used for finishing purposes as you cut before or after welding. You can use the fire to remove the rough edges on the sheet materials. As you can see, we have it here. So the next tool we are going to check is the hammer. Welding hammers are essential tools used for chipping to remove scrap coating from the weld area. It is used for shaping the job. There are three types of hammers. As you can see, we have them here. We have the ball peen hammer. We have the cross peen hammer, and then the other one is the straight one. So you can see they are different. They are different according to the shape. So let us look on pliers. Welding pliers are especially designed to effectively remove welding spatter. So the multiple use of the plier are used to pull the weld and install the tips and nozzles. So you're supposed to use the pliers to remove the spatters from the weld. As you can see, we have the plier. Then the next tool is the chisel. Normally, chisels are used to cut flat, round or angled sheets of thick metal. In welding, they are used for cutting the job and for cleaning the slag, spatters and surplus metal from job after welding. So this is the chisel, and I know you have used it before. So again, we have the clamps, as you can see, and the clamps are sheets of metal that temporarily hold two parts of material tightly together. So for welding, we have the welding clamps, and these clamps they permit you to securely hold your workpiece, so the operator will produce a tight joint. So when you hold your workpiece on the clamps, you are able to hold it. It is very rigid, so it cannot move to have a good product. Then we have the wire brush, and I know you know the application of a wire brush. So it is used for cleaning the welding surface before and after welding. It consists of steel wires. It is made up of stainless steel. So you should keep in mind that in welding, always use a brush with stainless steel bristles and chipping hammer made of stainless steel. So this is the wire brush. So as you can see, you have the tricycle. This is a arrow-shaped measuring instrument. It is braid usually graduated in centimeters. The set is used for job measurement purposes. It is also used for checking the right angle of a rectangular job. Maybe you want to produce a job with a right angled edge. So we use the price code. Then we have scale and weld gauge for measuring the size of a job, and the weld gauge is used for measuring the depth of the weld. So this is the scale, and as you can see, this is the weld gauge. Then you have the center punch. So these tools are often used to mark holes that are to be drilled in secondary operation. This is for marking on a job piece before cutting the same into a desired shape. This is the center punch. Then we have steel tape. So long jobs are measured by steel tape. It is marked in inches and centimeters, and it is housed in a seal of plastic case. So steel tapes is used for. So we use this one when we are measuring long jobs. Then we have welding grooves, and the welding grooves, as you can see, are tools that protect a welder hands from the danger of welding leather or those grooves are used for the protection of hands against any possible burn during welding. So these are the welding grooves. So you are not supposed to weld without grooves to protect your hands. Then another important tool is welding torch. It is also known as a blowpipe. The instrument is meant for producing the desired type of electricity from frame. So this is the welding thing. Then we have gas regulators. For the welding process, the oxygen and oxygen gas reach the welding torch below the regulator. So the regulator maintains necessary gas pressure during the course of welding. So this is to regulate pressure. So we have welding goggles are used for protection of eyes against any possible harm effect of the gas flame. Flame protect the eyes from the radiation of gas flame. And this is the welding goggles. So as you can see, we have been able to discuss different types of tools used in welding, and therefore everyone should be able to identify the different types of tools and the application. So you can search for more. You can add about the 5 tools, and we'll be able to discuss them next time. So that marks the end of the lesson, and have a good day. Thank you.